YouTube Studio Dashboard Tutorials, all about playlists. Hi guys, this is Tiffany and welcome back to the channel. Today, I would like to talk to you all about playlists. Creating and managing playlists in YouTube Studio helps optimize your content and helps to improve watch time hours by keeping your viewers engaged. So today, I would like to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a playlist in YouTube Studio, how to add videos to your playlist, as well as how to manage and edit your playlists. In order to access playlists in YouTube Studio, you first want to click on Content. And from Content, up at the top, you will see Playlists. If you click on Playlists and you already have some playlists already created, this is where you are going to see them. In there, you will get the opportunity to edit a playlist, and inside there, you can edit the playlist details. Now, you'll see that in my list, a lot of my playlists right now do not have details, but I am going back and correcting those things because by adding a SEO, search engine optimized title, you can get your playlist to be pushed out so that you can get more views. And also, by making sure that you add a description that is going to allow for you to add a lot of keywords in order to SEO, search engine optimize your playlist. So I'm going to go back since I already have a good title as well as description there. And then you see I can go to videos, and that is going to show me all of the videos that have been added to this playlist. I can also see how many views each of those videos have had and all of the comments. If I would like to see the analytics for that playlist, I can click here, and that is going to show me how many views the playlist has generated. That is just going to be by people clicking the play mix on the playlist. How many total views all of the videos combined in the playlist have, the total playlist watch time, as well as the watch time hours that have been gained from people watching the video. So the playlist watch time hours, that's 2.4. That means if someone watches it from beginning to end, all of the videos, that is how many watch time hours it has. And this 34.7, that is based on all of the videos combined to date, how many watch time hours they have occurred. Now, in order to create a new playlist, all you have to do is come up here and select Create and go to New Playlist. Let's go ahead and title this one My Shorts. My YouTube Shorts. Now, I always run my descriptions through ChatGPT just in order to allow for that to add keywords in order to optimize the description. I'm not going to do that right now because this is just a playlist that I am creating for this tutorial, and then I'll probably delete it. So in order to add videos, first I'm going to make the visibility of this public because I want for people to see it. I want for my followers to see it. And then you can select the default video order. I will also later on in this video show you how you can reorder your videos, but you can select for it to put them by the date published, newest or oldest, your most popular based on views, by the date added, newest or oldest, or you can allow for YouTube to manually sort it. It does generally default to the manually sorted in YouTube if you do not select an option. And then you can go to add videos and it is going to pull up all of your content. I am going to quickly just go through and select only shorts. And you see that those are all going to load on the right hand side. So I've selected 6 videos to add. I am going to go ahead and select done and then create. And just that quickly, I have created a playlist. So let's go over to YouTube and see what that looks like. I am going to probably need to close out and open up a fresh screen. From there, I am going to select playlists, and you see there is that newly created playlist. And right now in my playlist, I have it sorted by recently added. If you prefer an A to Z kind of setup, you can select A to Z, but I like the recently added. Now, if you would like to manually sort your playlist and how your videos are going to play, you can go ahead and select the playlist. And in here, you'll see that you also have the option of adding videos, editing the description, getting the share link, or you can shuffle it, you can download it, you can collaborate, or you can just select play all. Now, if you would like to reorder your videos, all you have to do is click and drag, click and drag. And that is going to allow for you to sort your videos in any order that you would like for them to play. So for me, I want to increase the views on this one because everything else seems to be already over 100. This one isn't. So I am going to go ahead and move that tutorial to the top in hopes that that is going to increase the views on it. And then once you've done that, you don't have to select save or anything. It's already done for you. So you can go ahead and go back to that playlist, and you see right there, respond to comments is going to be the first video that plays in that playlist. So a couple of bonus tips to think about when you are creating your playlists. Make sure that you try to use SEO friendly titles and descriptions. This is going to improve your playlist visibility. Create themed playlists. So as you see, in my playlist, I've started to kind of create some themes. This one is my shorts. This is my YouTube studio dashboard tutorials, and then my YouTube journey. And then I do have just some personalized ones where it's music, that's my jam, prepping because I am kind of into that. But for those public ones that you are setting for your subscribers, definitely make sure that you are trying to keep those with a theme. This is just going to be a great way to help to keep your viewers engaged longer on that playlist. And then last but not least, set the playlist order strategically. That's the last thing that I showed you. This is really just going to assist with binge watching of that playlist. I hope that you guys found this information about playlists helpful. My name is Tiffany. This is my take. Be blessed. have a blessed day, and most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day. See you next time.